Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Today's video is sponsored by CurlsCurls, and I have here their natural coily unit in length 20, and this is a 13 by 6 lace wig, guys. Okay, it's a glueless wig, and here's a cap construction. That's comb, it has band, and the lace has a really wide parting space, guys. Okay, like you can go as deep as you want it to be. All right, now I'm gonna start with this installation, but before then, guys, let me let you know that the link to this hair will be in my description box as always for you guys. Okay, so do not forget to click the link in my description box to get your own glueless natural coily wig from CurlsCurls. And you guys already know that when it comes to CurlsCurls, their quality is top notch and their units are good. Okay, now this is not my first time working with this brand, so I can tell you guys for free that their hair, their wigs are always gorgeous. Okay, this is my first time trying their 13 by 6 lace front wig, and you all, I loved it. Okay, so I'm gonna just let you guys watch the installation process. But while you're watching, do not forget to like this video, and after watching, share with your friends and family, because I would like a lot of people to see this video and see how gorgeous this wig is. Okay, also guys, do not forget to leave your comments in the comment section and subscribe to this channel. Okay,
Me with anybody else as we close out the night underneath the lilac sky. Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment.
now for the installation, I started by cutting out the lace at the front, and after cutting it out, I'm just going to bring out the hair at the front so that you guys can see what we are working with. Okay, now I'm not using any glue, it's a glueless wig, guys. Okay, all I did was just adjust the band to fit properly, and that was all. Okay, so the next step I'm going to do is to use my foaming mush and apply at the front of the wig. That will just put a lot of the foaming mush at the front and then rub this in. Okay, just use my hand to, like, just rub it and take it back, like what I'm doing here, guys. Okay,
Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance such, but at least it's still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. New Year's Eve, 300 miles, counting down.
after applying the foaming mush, I'm gonna tie this down and then define the coils, and after which I'm gonna do my makeup, and you guys are going to see the transformation. You all you guys are not ready for this. Okay, like, you guys are going to see how gorgeous the unit is and how gorgeous your girl is looking. Okay, so yeah guys, to define the coils, I'm actually going to apply the foaming mush on the hair. You can go ahead and apply water or a coiling cream and foaming mush to define your coils, but I use only the foaming mush. I apply a lot of it on the unit, and then I use my brush to brush it out. Okay, now I lost some clip of this, so you guys are not seeing the beginning of me brushing it out, but okay, after applying the foaming mush, the next thing you're supposed to do is to use your brush to brushes and define the coils. Okay, just like what I'm doing here, and then you have a really beautiful coils to work with. Okay, one thing I like with this unit is that it is very easy to work with. It's that kind of wig that you wear when you are in a hurry to go out. Okay, you guys can see how gorgeous the coils came out. It is well defined and beautiful.
Be close, I will wait.
I notice that the hair is not fully dried. I'm going to use my blow dryer to dry this up, and that is it, guys. Okay, so this is how gorgeous the edges look. okay. It's looking really natural. But I notice that my makeup is giving lines there. So I'm gonna use my brush to just blend this in as much as I can just to take out that line. But I noticed that the line did not go out okay. But it is what it is, guys. Okay. Now I'm also going to comb out the coils a little bit. Just use my comb to comb it out a little bit, and that is it, guys.
Walk back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
I'm gonna use my comb to clean up the parts just to make it more straight, but I did not use concealer to make the parts pop, okay? But it doesn't really matter, okay? This is what I have here. It's still looking gorgeous, okay? And the airline, guys, is so natural. I love how it came out. I love how it's looking. It is so natural, guys. And you all, this wig is so gorgeous, okay? Like the wig is so beautiful, guys. I love how defined and beautiful the coils are looking here. The quality of this wig, guys, is top notch, okay? Like you can't compare, all right? And this is 180 density, okay? The unit is 180 density, and link in my description box, okay? Now your girl is looking all fly and beautiful here, okay? I love this wig. See, I love a good wig, okay? Like I love a good wig, and this here is a good wig, guys, okay? Now this is it for today's video. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Please give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, all right? Now I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. A song with far beyond. Keep chasing them, and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. Goddamn, feeling good. Yeah, but when